Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about the ultimate skincare indulgence, an experience that's more than just a mask. AHAVA Purifying Mud Mask is here to transform your skincare routine. If you're tired of skincare that doesn't quite live up to its promises, this might be the change you need. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and stay updated with more beauty insights from us. Now, let's see if this mask really does what it claims. AHAVA Purifying Mud Mask is designed to cleanse and purify the skin, using a rich formula enriched with exclusive Osmoter, Dead Sea Mud, Aloe Vera, vitamin B5, and Jojoba Oil. These ingredients work in harmony to deliver a soothing, softening, and clarifying experience, promising not just a deep clean, but also a bit of relaxation along the way. And the best part? It's paraben-free, which means you're treating your skin to something that's as gentle as it is effective. Using this mask was a refreshing experience. The consistency is smooth and rich, spreading easily over the skin without feeling too thick or greasy. I applied it after a long day, and it felt instantly soothing. The cooling effect was just what my skin needed, especially around my T-zone, which tends to get oily. After the recommended 10 to 15 minutes, the mask dried without feeling tight, and it washed off effortlessly, leaving my skin feeling smooth, refreshed, and deeply cleansed. One of the things I love about AHAVA Purifying Mud Mask is its nourishing properties. The Jojoba Oil works wonders to moisturize the skin, while Aloe Vera helps calm any redness or irritation, making it ideal for sensitive skin. After removing the mask, my face felt softer and looked visibly clearer. It's definitely one of those products that you can feel working as you relax. As with any product, there are a few points worth mentioning. While the mask does deliver a great experience overall, I did find that my skin needed a good moisturizer afterward, as it can feel a bit dry for those with already dry skin. It's not an issue for me since I follow up with my regular skincare routine, but it's something to keep in mind if you have drier skin. Pros: the ingredients, particularly the Dead Sea Mud, really stand out for their purifying and clarifying benefits. The soothing and cooling effect is perfect for calming irritated or stressed skin, and I love that it's paraben-free, which gives me confidence in the formula. Cons: while the mask is effective, I'd say it's best for oily or combination skin. Those with very dry skin might find it slightly drying, so it may not be the best option for every skin type. Also, I wish the packaging was a bit more durable, as the cap could be easier to manage in the shower. In terms of value for money, AHAVA Purifying Mud Mask is definitely on the higher end. But considering the quality of ingredients like the Osmoter and Dead Sea Mud, along with the calming and purifying effects, I think it's a reasonable investment for anyone who is serious about skincare and wants to treat their skin to something that's both luxurious and effective. It's an experience that stands out. And you're not just paying for a mask, you're paying for the benefits of the Dead Sea and soothing hydration that lasts. If you're looking for alternatives, there are definitely other mud masks out there that are more budget-friendly, but none with the same focus on hydration and skin soothing as AHAVA. That said, there are some excellent options with similar ingredients, so keep an eye out if you want a comparable experience at a lower price point. Overall, AHAVA Purifying Mud Mask is a solid choice for anyone looking to deep cleanse and purify their skin while indulging in a bit of self-care. It's particularly great for those with oily or combination skin types who want something to balance their complexion and leave their skin feeling soft and clear. I'd recommend it for anyone who loves a good skincare treat that combines luxury with effectiveness. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.